Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can exchange XRP to USDT in Binance. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is quite simple. Head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll from the overview to your spot or funding wallet, depending on where your XRP is stored. Now, with our XRP on our spot wallet, head back to the home section, click on the convert icon. By selecting the convert icon, all we need to do is simply click the amount of XRP we wish to convert into the USDT. And you can do this by entering a simple amount. So let's say 50%. Select the BTC, type in the USDT, click on USDT, click on preview conversion, and simply click on convert. Boom. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.